The last one in this section is hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud combines both public and private cloud environments. And that means that hybrid clouds will allow you to run your applications in most appropriate location. An example of hybrid cloud usage scenario would be hosting a website in public cloud and linking it to your highly secure database hosted in your private cloud infrastructure. Hybrid cloud scenarios are very useful when organizations have some things that they do not want to put it in public cloud, possibly because of legal reasons. For example, you may have medical data that you don't want to expose that in public. Another example is one or more applications that run on old hardware that really cannot be updated. In this case, you want to keep the old system running locally in your private environment and connect it to the public cloud for authorization or for storage. In the next section, we'll learn about the characteristics of hybrid cloud models.